Hi boys and girls, how are you today? Today we are going to do a geography lesson. What is geography? Well, this is our planet Earth. We all live on this earth, and geography is the study of the land, these continents, and their features, such as mountains, rivers, the oceans, and everything in between. So today we're going to learn about the continents, and then we're going to learn about where you live on this planet Earth. The first thing we're going to do is learn the names of the continents. There are 7 continents, 7. North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, Antarctica. So in all of these continents, except for Antarctica, there are people living. They live and they work and they go to school and they play and they eat just like you and just like me. So what we're going to do today is I'm first going to read you a book called Me on the Map. And then we are going to find out how you can find your place on the map. Ready? Me on the Map by Joan Sweeney. And look, this is the Earth, just like the globe we were looking at. This is me. This is me in my room. This is a map of my room. And this is me on the map of my room. This is my house. This is a map of my house. This is my room on the map of my house. This is my street. This is a map of my street. And this is my house on the map of my street. This is my town. This is a map of my town. This is my street on the map of my town. This is my state. This is a map of my state. This is my town on the map of my state. Right there. Except this girl lives in the state of Kansas. We don't live in Kansas. Where do we live? We live in Texas, that's right. So Texas is another state. This is my country, the United States of America. That's where we live. We live in the United States of America. This is a map of my country. This is my state on the map of my country. So look, right there, Texas. That is where we live. We live in one state that is inside of the United States of America. This is my world. It is called Earth. It looks like a giant ball. If you could unroll the world and make it flat, it would look something like this map of the world. This is my country on the map of the world. So right here, this is the United States of America inside North America. And all of this is the map of the world, the continents like we were just looking at on the globe. So here's how I find my special place on the map. First, I look at the map of the world and find my country. Then I look at the map of my country and find my state. Then I look at the map of my state and find my town. Then I look at the map of my town and I find my street. And on my street, I find my house. And in my house, I find my room. And in my room, I find me. Just think. In rooms, in houses, on streets, in towns, in countries all over the world, everybody has their own special place on the map. Okay, friends, now let's find your place on the map. What I have sent to your mom and dad is this cool little book that you can cut out, and it shows each level of where you are on the map. So we're going to first start, just like in the book, this is me. So I put a picture of myself and I wrote my name. This is me. So next, this is my school. Now, to make it a little bit easier for you guys, I already printed out some pictures that you can go ahead and cut out and glue. So look, we all go to the same school. We go to Archgate Montessori. So here's a nice little picture of our school. And we're just going to cut it out and glue it right here. This is my school. So that's the next one. And if you like, you can get a pen or you can get a marker, and let's write the name. Archgate Montessori. If you don't have room, you can write it on both lines. Okay, so this is me, this is my school, this is my neighborhood. Now, we all live in different neighborhoods, so I couldn't send you a picture of your neighborhood, but what you can do here is you can draw your own picture and you can write the name of your neighborhood. Or if you like, you could write the name of your street, if you like that better. This is me, this is my school, this is my neighborhood. The next one says, this is my city. Now, most of us, not all of us, but most of us live in Plano. Plano. So I printed out a picture of Plano. So this is actually a picture taken from above. So that's why it looks really cool and all the streets look small and the buildings look small, because it's taken from the sky. So this is a picture of Plano. So next, this is my state. Now, who remembers which state we live in? That's right. If you guessed Texas, you are right. We live in Texas. So I printed out a picture of the map of Texas. Texas. So let's go ahead and get our pen and write Texas. All right, our little book is coming together. Next, this is my country. So we live in Texas, which is inside the United States of America. The United States of America. And you can call it USA for short. The United States of America. So let's glue our picture of the map of the United States of America right here. So I'm just going to write USA. All right, we have one left. Who knows what that is? This is my world, and we all live in the same world. We all live on the same planet. Do you know what it's called? Earth. This is a real picture of the planet Earth taken from outer space. Look, if you look closely, you can see the oceans, you can see all the clouds and the wind moving the clouds. You can see the mountains. You can see places where there's lots of green trees, and places where it's a little drier and might be more of a desert is where you see yellow. So this is our planet Earth, and we all live on the planet Earth. So I'm going to glue it right here. This is my world. And then right here, I'm going to write Earth. My tray's a little bumpy, so it's making my letters a little crooked. Earth. So now that we've finished finding our spot on the map, you have two choices for how we can put this together. So you can do like me and use a staple. You staple it right here at the top. And then there you have a little flip book that shows your place on the map. This is me, this is my school, this is my neighborhood, this is my city, this is my state, this is my country, and this is my world. Or if you like, you can use a hole punch. They already have a little circle there. You can punch a hole, and you can use a little piece of string to tie it all together, and then you can maybe hang it up in your room where you can look at it every day. Okay, friends, I hope you had fun with our geography lesson today and learned a little bit more about where your special place on the map is. Before I leave you today, I'm going to teach you a song that some of you might have heard in our classroom, but this is a song to help you remember the names of the 7 continents. It goes like this: North America, South America, Europe and Asia, Australia, Antarctica, Africa. All right, friends, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow.